Far beneath the surface of our oceans lives one of the world's most fascinating predators. Powerful, intelligent, and perfectly adapted to life at sea, the great white shark has ruled the oceans for millions of years. Often misunderstood, these incredible animals play a vital role in maintaining healthy marine ecosystems. Great white sharks can grow over 20 feet long and weigh more than 2 tons. Their streamlined bodies allow them to swim efficiently through the water, while rows of serrated teeth are continually replaced throughout their lives. Their grey backs blend with the ocean from above, and their white undersides help camouflage them from below. Great white sharks are patient hunters. Rather than chasing prey over long distances, they often rely on surprise. By approaching from below, they use the darkness of the deep ocean to remain hidden until the final moment. Their explosive bursts of speed can launch them completely out of the water, creating one of nature's most spectacular sights. Unlike many fish, great white sharks give birth to live young. Newborn pups are independent from the moment they are born and must survive on their own. Scientists continue to study where these mysterious sharks give birth, as many details of their early lives remain unknown. Although great white sharks are powerful predators, they face serious threats from accidental capture, habitat changes, and illegal fishing. Around the world, scientists and conservation organizations work to better understand and protect these remarkable animals. Healthy shark populations are essential for balanced marine ecosystems. For millions of years, great white sharks have shaped the oceans they inhabit. Their strength, intelligence, and importance remind us that every species has a role in nature. As we continue learning about these magnificent animals, we also discover how important it is to protect the oceans they call home.